Hey doc, what's up?
Nothing, just another tough day. You know how's it been in this pandemic, right?
Doc, I need your little help. You know, the vaccination is going on and I want to take it, but I have few queries and also want to confirm that vaccines are safe or not. You know, all the rumors are going on in the internet.
Hey buddy, you don't need to worry about the vaccines. The vaccines are totally safe. I'm getting dozens of queries like this. That's why I made a video about it. So I'm going to send you the video, watch it, and make sure you share this video to as many people as you can.
Okay, thanks.
Now, one of the most important questions: what are the possible side effects of the vaccine? No serious side effects are generally seen. Some mild side effects can be seen, like fever, malaise, headache, nausea, vomiting, pain at the injection site, which are normal after you take a vaccine. What technology has been used in the development of the currently available two vaccines in India? Number 1. Covishield. It is manufactured by Serum Institute of India. It's a viral vector based technology, which means that the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 is carried by another virus. In this case, it is chimpanzee adenovirus. Number 2, Covaxin. It is manufactured by Bharat Biotech. It's a whole virion inactivated coronavirus vaccine, which means the virus has been ripped of its virulency, keeping its antigenicity. Which vaccine is better between Covishield and Covaxin? There is no head-to-head comparison done between both of these vaccines, but both the vaccines have been proven to decrease the severity of the disease, means it will increase your chances of survival. Some very interesting facts have just been shown regarding the Covaxin, showing that Covaxin has the efficacy against 617 strains of COVID-19, which is a pretty good sign. Who shouldn't receive the COVID vaccines, and in which conditions vaccines are to be taken with great caution? Vaccines shouldn't be given to: number 1, patient with history of anaphylactic shock or allergies to a previous dose of COVID-19 vaccine, or history of allergic reaction to vaccines, injectable allergies, pharmaceutical products, and food items. Number 2, since pregnant and lactating women were not part of the COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials so far, therefore pregnant and lactating women should not receive it. Moreover, there are some conditions in which COVID-19 vaccination is to be deferred for 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. Number 1, person having active SARS-CoV-2 infection. SARS-CoV-2 patients who have been given anti-SARS-CoV-2 monoclonal antibodies are also deferred from taking the vaccine. Number 3, acutely unwell and hospitalized patient due to any illness with or without intensive care. Here are some conditions where vaccination to be done with great caution. Number 1, patient with history of bleeding or coagulation disorder like hemophilic patient should take vaccine under supervision of the treating physician. Number 2, patients suffering from AIDS or patients on immunosuppressants like steroids, anti-cancer drugs, etc. Number 3, patient having blood cancer should check platelet level before vaccination and also consult their treating physician before vaccination. What is the safety and efficacy of vaccines used in our country? Under various research studies performed by various countries, these vaccines have shown efficacy of about 70 to 90%. The vaccines are very much safe. Everyone should take the vaccine as soon as it is available so that we can break the chain of this pandemic. Can a person get COVID-19 infection even after full vaccination? Yes, he can get infected. But the thing that you have to keep in mind that the main purpose of these vaccines is to decrease the severity of the disease, hence decreasing the mortality rate due to the infection. Does vaccine protect against the newer strain? Yes, actually it does. The body responds to vaccination by making more than one type of antibody to virus parts including the spike protein. Therefore, all vaccines provide reasonable amount of protection against the mutated virus also. In fact, recent studies has proven that Covaxin is effective against Brazil, UK and Indian double mutant variants also. Covishield is effective against UK variant, weakly effective against the Brazil strain, but in how many days will vaccine provide an adequate immune response? All vaccines are meant to provide adequate protection after 2 to 3 weeks of complete vaccination. So, can a person presently having COVID-19 infection be vaccinated? No, it is not recommended as they can spread the infection at vaccination site. Now, then what is to be done in such cases? These patients are generally recommended to take vaccine after 14 days of recovery, but for better results, they should take it after 3 to 6 weeks. Is it necessary of COVID-19 recovered person to take vaccine? Yes, it is advisable to take complete vaccination irrespective of infection as we have seen many cases of recurrent infection. Taking vaccine will help in developing strong immune response and as it has been proved that these vaccines can provide reasonable protection against newer strains, so one must get vaccinated. Should you avoid alcohol after receiving vaccine? As per experts, there is no evidence of alcohol impairing the effectiveness of vaccine, so you should not worry about such issue. But you should also keep in mind that drinking alcohol is injurious to health. So is it important for me to receive the same vaccine during the second dose? As the vaccines available are not interchangeable, it is important to receive the second dose of the same vaccine as the first one. The Covert portal is also going to help to ensure that everyone receives the same vaccine. How long will I remain protected after vaccination? Longevity of the response is yet to be determined by the concerned authorities, but it is expected to be less than 1 year. And vaccine companies are planning to provide the booster doses every year. But other than that, you have to maintain social distancing, wash your hands regularly, and all those things that you have been following till now. Now, what you need to do next as a concerned citizen of our India is to share this video so that one can get rid of all the doubts on taking vaccine. And do subscribe our channel so we would be coming up with such informative videos in future also. So until then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.